welcome back to my channel. It's Mani. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this fire color wig. So first, I got the hair from FA Beauty off Amazon. It's two 12-inch bundles and then a 12-inch frontal. It's all 613 hair. So you see, this is the frontal right here. It's 12 inches, and it's already pre-plucked and it looks really good to me. So I'm already feeling it. So I'm going to be having three colors. I'm going to have Raging Red, Sunrise Orange from Adore, and then Sparks Yellow Burst. This is my first time using Sparks hair color, so I was a little skeptical about it because I already know how Adore is going to work, but using Sparks was a little different. So now I'm just pinning down the frontal, about to get started doing the hair color. So I started off with the yellow burst on the edges. I wasn't sure if this color was going to stain, so I used the brush so I could be really careful instead of trying to smear it on with my fingers. And I'm not going down halfway to like the end of the hair, but I'm going down for the most part because only it's going to be majority yellow, then majority orange, I guess, and then just the ends red. So yeah, I'm finishing up doing the yellow on the frontal right now, so this is how it looks so far. The color is really bright. I was actually really surprised on how good it turned out, because I know when a lot of people do yellow, it doesn't turn out always that great. So I went ahead and did the yellow on top for the rest of the bundles. I only used one box for all of this. It would have been better if I had two, but just for the time being, I only used one box, and it still did it still did a good job. So now I'm starting to make the wig, pinning down the frontal and making sure that the end of the back, like the back of the whole frontal, is flat down. But you can watch my other video on actual tutorial on how to do it. So then I went in with both the 12-inch bundles, and let's get started with the orange. So now I'm sectioning off the front of the frontal out so I can do the bundles and then the frontal. I decided to, instead of just dyeing all the hair and then making the wig, I kind of wanted the colors to align up. So that's why I went ahead and just made the wig first. So as you can kind of see, I'm moving my fingers up and down with the color to blend in the two different colors, instead of it being just like a straight line all the way across, because nobody wants that. So I'm just going along and just adding the sunrise orange across all of the hair. But look at that blend. Okay, sis. So you can see it's only like really the little bit of the ends that are left red. So I went ahead and I'm showing you the rest of the frontals that I did, but you can see the majority of the hair is already orange. Okay, as I finish up, you can see the yellow. It looks better in the sunlight than it does with my actual room light. So like, don't let the color fool you, because the color looks really bomb in person. So now I used Raging Red on the ends of the hair. So you can kind of see a little bit of blonde left. That's what I was talking about, but you can't even see like the finished product. So now I'm about to go rinse the hair and let's go. This is what it looks like when I washed out all the color. Make sure you wash down. You don't want to wash up, because then the colors are going to bleed into one another, and you don't want that. So this is what it looks like, a little bit dried. I kind of combed it out just so you could see the like different colors. But here's one thing, the red started to look pink, and I wasn't having it. It's supposed to look fire. What kind of fire has pink in it? So I went in with a Wild Cherry by Adore, and I redid the ends, and this is what it looks like. Look at that fire. Okay, and now it's time for the install. Okay, so first thing I did was I cornrowed her hair back in 6 cornrows, and then I put glue along the perimeter of her head, and then I put the new cap on and did another layer on top. So after I blow dried that for a little bit, I cut the excess of the wig cap off, and I kind of pushed it down to the skin to make it look, less wig cappy. So then, of course, I used my Got2b glue and my Got2b glue spray, and I did another layer on top to kind of melt the wig on. So then I pulled the wig on over top, and you can see the first half that I did was already combed down, and the second half is what it looked like before half. So then after all that, I melted both sides in. I tied it down with some black wax strips, and this is what the finale looked like. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you liked what you saw. If you want to see another tutorial or any more videos, give this video a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.